Zayin is a letter that looks very similar to Vav, which was yesterday's letter. The distinguishing characteristics of the Zayin are the curve at the top of the line, and also there's a roof on the top of the line. So the Vav has none of that. The Zayin, as with all the other consonants, combines with vowels in a natural way, such as za, zu. We'll have to fix this one. See if we can fix this one on the fly. Zo, ze, and z. Joseph, would you like to pronounce the Zayin with the vowels for us?
Yes. Za, zu, zo, ze, zi.
Excellent. We are going to start discovering some words now also, my friend. Even with just these two-letter combinations of a vowel and a consonant. For example, zo means this. And I'm sure we'll be discovering other two-letter words as well as we proceed. But we're now entering into a stage of our familiarity with letters where we will be discovering words every day.
Yes.
As usual, let's now progress to our reading drill on the Zayin. I'll take a turn and then I'll ask you to take a turn, Joseph.
Okay.
Za, ze, za, zi.
Zo, za, zu, zo.
Very good. Let's try that line one more time.
Zu, za, zu, zo.
Very good. Very good. Continue, please.
Zo, zu, zo, ze.
Nice. Next.
Ze, zu, ze, zo.
And last line, please.
Zi, zo, zi, ze.
Very good. Let's continue with our letter identification work. We've now been exposed to 7 letters. That's about 1/3 of the entire alphabet. So we're making great progress now. So as usual, Joseph, what are the letters that we've learned so far, starting with Aleph?
Aleph, Bet, Vet, Gimel, Dalet,
Very good.
Hey,
Yes. Yesterday's letter was Vav.
Vav, and
Yes.
this is the Vav.
Yes, this is the Vav.
It looks like Zayin.
It does look a lot like Zayin.
Yes.
And then, of course, we have the Zayin.
Yes.
So let's see if we can carefully identify Zayins and Vavs, as well as all the other letters, starting
Yes.
with line 2.
Yes.
I'll take a turn. Okay. Zayin, Vav, Hey, Dalet, Gimel, Bet, Zayin. Would you like to take the next line, sir?
Yes. Zayin, Gimel, Vav, Zayin, Dalet, Gimel, Hey.
Okay, try this letter again.
The one that you have pointed,
Yeah,
Zayin.
there you go. So actually, it's a good a learning opportunity. If you look at the Gimel, you can see that it has a similar shape to the Zayin, except it has a foot. The
Yes.
Zayin has no foot. But it's very natural to see the Gimel, except that it has no foot, so it's a Zayin. Okay. How would you distinguish the Vav? You see where my pointer is now on a Vav, or
Ye-
here on a Vav.
Yes.
How is it different to you from the Zayin, Joseph?
Uh,
Vav and Zayin.
I can see that the Vav has smooth edge, but
Yeah,
the Zayin has an extended. It has an extended edge.
yeah, I see what you mean.
Yes.
I also see that the parallel line is in the middle of the roof
Yes.
on the Zayin, but the line is on the right on the Vav.
Yes.
So that also gives it away.
Yes.
Also on the Gimel, the line is on the right and it has a foot. Okay, very good. Let's try the line 4 now.
Aleph, Zayin, Hey, Dalet, Zayin, Vav, Zayin.
Very good. I think it might be worthwhile to bring up the Nikudot again, since we just started discussing them yesterday. Let me bring that document into our lesson.